of candidate for admission into MBBS, MBDS, BHMS, BMS, BASLP, BUMS, and BSc Nursing course against state quota seat for academic session 23-24 for Garo category. So this is the list of eligible candidates for admission into MBBS and this other course in Garo category. So in this list, they are given the name and then the NEET UG score, highest from highest mark to lowest, then PCB, PCBE percentage, and a screening center. So the screening center will be in Shillong and Tura. So those who choose Shillong will go to Shillong Civil Hospital, and those who choose Tura will go to Tura Civil Hospital on 14 August 2023. So the name are giving here and NEET UG score with their name. So the selection will be based on this NEET UG score. The highest score will get selected into MBBS, and then next then to BDS, then to BHMS, and all this course, and then the last will be in BSc Nursing. So the name of the candidate, there are 150 candidates in Garo category. Monica Malakar in first list, 406 in NEET UG score, 88%. Levi Sangma, Mark Wish, and Bianca Wimbledon, Amasha Vegachi, Crystal Amrak, Silgrak, Jerry Jeffrey Marak, Rabina T Sangma. Te ladang iong ikine mo baik kine hadu khadar nang de hakap exam kelas 12 iyo san percentage tangba ini latikana iyo doktor baik nomor ba kanit uji skor jongki ka khamhe kiwan kham sajrong ya baro tekin tikana ban iyo doktor baik. Berilio and Marak, Emeralda, Jennifer T Sangma, Janisa, Shell, Kongkal Sangma, Saliang and Sangma, Chagrme, Mima Rexil, Priyanka, Elsha, Maglin, Tanisha, Nenya T Sangma, Brinchang, Donna, Chaya, Chiamsme, Beberachi, Norik, Saljachi, Latingbird, Enric, Iglesias, Nasame, Changre, Bakam, Kanchan, Pubert, Katchanchi, Balchimsa, Joaban, Rakimsa, Amdiasha, Rongrek, Morian, Chal, Chibalmi, Rashmi, Abigail, Janwe, Amasa, Rosiana, Chen Nisha, Chimasa, Namkam, Kalista Kusi, Silgachi, Adit CH Momin, Prajakta Armarak, Klinbert Sangma, Gamchi Ke Marak, Nathasa, Namchera, Naidu, Silsime, Chiesa, Ignatius, Cheribel, Heidi, Arne Veramchi, Nosme, Arya Paul, Catherine, Abime, Chimetchi, Nigamchi, Wilson Sangma, Kevin Di Sangma, Birme, Kim Chera, Jenisa, Lindsay Donna, Bayan Bolivar, Gamechik, Noanchi, Willy Arambal, Cheryl Biansa, Kurimshi, Arno C, Osel, Rikchi, Adora Vanya, Nojime, Kamkam, Amana Bamesa, Samima, Teng Jagring, Sengba, Rongchime, Chiama, Sneha, Trisha, Chanti, Silbita, Christy, Dia Sangma, Dlesi, Chokchima, Thanori, Aimesha, Asmidia, Ruhi, Tesia, Salrakam, Chume, Lovely Olivia, Aneka, Ria Pansi, Silbe Marak, Nigame, Diaksa, Chemi, Claudia, Imlong, Darby, Jessica, Thanks Rame, Tobias, Stacy, Dino Ferrando, Sakira, Dangachi, Chiena, Rit Dimchi, Vensil, Jeliana, Inisha, Rick Rang, Silmera, Pringchi, Vanessa, Jessica, Barsame, Abel, Andy Eriko, Chichang, Anissa, Chiga Dingse, Rikamchi, Siristi, Jakrimchi, Salome, Chesana, Chirime, Dishira. So remember, the screening date will be on 14 August. The screening center will be in Shillong and Tura Civil Hospital. So those in Shillong will go to Shillong Civil Hospital, and those who is in Tura will go to Tura Civil Hospital from 10 a.m. onward on 14 August 2023.